Hello everyone. In this session, let's understand how we can install Java and also the Eclipse. Java, let's go to Google and just type Java 11 download. So why exactly I am just downloading Java 11 is like it's the most stable version, and while working with Selenium, we are going to integrate with many libraries. So Java 11 being the stable version, you can easily integrate all the libraries using this. So go to the official website, which is Oracle, and just click on this link, and you could see under Java SC Development Kit, the latest 11 version is 11.0.19. So based on your operating system, whether it's Linux, Mac, Windows, Solaris, you need to download the Java version. As I'm working on Windows with 64-bit, I'm going to download this particular exe file. All that I need to do, just click on this, accept this, and just click on download. You will be asked to give the Oracle signing credential. If you don't have the account, just create an account and you will be redirected to download the particular Java version. So that version will be this way. I have already downloaded it, and you can just see the JDK 11.0.19 which I have downloaded. You can just click on run as administrator and yes. There will be a pop-up that will be visible. You could see like this way. Installation is similar to how you install other exe files. You can just click on next, next. It will be installed at this particular location. Once it is done, you can just close this. So if you want to just confirm whether this Java has been installed or not, you can go to this PC, C directory, program files, and inside this you could see something called Java. And here our version is JDK 11, and inside bin you could see java.exe file, this one. Okay. So once you have installed Java, it is always necessary to set up the environmental variables. Why exactly is like Java is used by multiple programs that run on your system, or multiple programs that we are going to integrate as a part of Selenium also. So all the programs should know where exactly this Java is present. So in order to make sure that this is available in this particular location, I will just set the environmental variables. All that you need to go is go to this PC and right click here, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, and here you could see environmental variables. Just click on that and don't touch any user variables, go with the system variables. Under system variables, you need to create a new variable which is called java underscore home, and you need to set the path where exactly the JDK is available. So JDK is available till here. So I need to set this path. till JDK 11 and click on OK. And I'm just clicking on cancel because I already have the path set. Next environmental variable is just go to path variable and click on edit. Here you should set till bin directory. Till JDK 11 you already set as a part of Java underscore home, and all that you need to do is like click on new and just say Java underscore home percentage. This will automatically generate the complete Java home path, and as you want to go inside the bin directory, all that you need to do is just say backslash bin. It's in small characters. So this is how you will set the variable called path. Don't touch on other variables because these are all related to system, and if you just make any changes to other variables, there might be a system crash or you might face some difficulty in your Windows system. So don't touch any of the variables, just set this particular java underscore home slash bin. And you could see I already set this, so I'm just canceling it. In your case, just click on OK and click on OK. OK. So in order to verify whether it is downloaded or installed the correct Java version, just go to command prompt and type Java hyphen version, and you will be getting the Java version which is 11.0.19. Okay, so Java has been successfully installed and we have configured the environmental variables. Now we need to understand about Eclipse. What exactly is Eclipse? Eclipse is nothing but an IDE. What does an IDE mean? IDE mean it's an integrated development environment. It is where we will write our code. Write our code. Okay. We have multiple IDEs like Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans, etc. But we are going to see Eclipse, which is highly used by multiple companies. So Eclipse is the way we are going to write our code and execute our code. So if I want to just say you an example, for suppose I asked you to prepare a resume. What you will do, you will go to Word document and prepare your resume. But why can't we prepare on Paint or some PPT or some Excel sheet? Because those are not flexible for creation of a resume. All that the most flexible way is to create it on a Word document. In the similar way, you can also write your code on a simple notepad or notepad plus plus or Word document. But Eclipse has some of the features which makes it flexible for writing our code. So let's understand how we can download and install Eclipse on our system. Again, go to Google, just click on Eclipse download, go to the official website, and here don't just download directly here, go to download packages. Eclipse is something where you can write not only Java programs but also C++, Python, PHP and many other programs. So As we are working with Java, we need to go to Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers, and based on your operating system, just click on that and you will get a link to download. Just click on download and you will be downloading this particular Eclipse. I have already downloaded it and it will be available in the form of zip file. Just click on extract all so that you will get the folder structure like this, and your eclipse.exe is available over here. All that you can do is like you can just right click and run as administrator, and your Eclipse IDE gets open, and you need to just select wherever location or path where you want to just have your project saved. So either you can just go with the default location. This is my default Eclipse location, or you can just go to your desktop and you can create some folder like workspace, and you can select this and select this folder and click on launch. So this is the welcome screen for your Eclipse IDE, and you can just close this welcome screen, and here you will see the project explorer. As we are working with Java, we want to create a project which is related to Java. So just click on create a project and here select Java project. Click on next. Give some name for your project, and here just select Java 11 because we are going to work with Java SE 11, and you can either click next followed by finish, or directly you can click finish, and just keep this Java perspective, open perspective. So you will have a screen like this. You can just close all this, and this is our project. Day 1 is our project name. Inside this, what are the files available? This is JRE system library. This is related to Java and it will have all the packages, classes available in Java. As we have selected Java SE11, it is showing it here. And now SRC. SRC is nothing but a package. What does a package mean? So first, suppose I am going to give you some Java related files, Selenium related files, manual testing related files to you. What you will do, you will just create folders for each and every type of files and you will just save it. So what you will do, you will keep all the manual testing files in one folder, Selenium related files in the one folder, Selenium folder, and all the API related files in the API folder. So you are just segregating so that you will have a high visibility. That is similar to a package which is available in Java. This SRC is a default package. You can also create your own package. You can delete this module info.java. We don't require this anymore. And just right click on SRC and go to new package. You can give any name, like I'm just giving day 1. You can give any name for your package or a folder, and inside the package I will just create a class. Always remember, all the classes in Java should start with a capital letter. For suppose I have three words: the dark night. So if you are just writing it as a class, it should start with a capital letter. That means it should be T capital, D capital, and N capital. Because each word you are just keeping it or starting it with a capital letter. But when you are just creating it as a method, you need to write the first character as the small and the succeeding characters or the words in the capitals. So this is how you will just write these three words when combined. Using this, it will have a more readability, and this is a camel casing, and every Java developer will be following this kind of rules. Okay, and it will have more readability when compared to how you write this dark night word. So when I just go to Eclipse, under this package I'm just creating hello world class. So how I have created, whenever I'm just having two words, I'm starting with capital, and whatever word that comes after, I'm just keeping it as the capital letter. And you need to select main method over here, and you can remove this and keep public static void main. Public static void main is a method in Java where the execution starts. So whenever I just write it like this, you could see a package day one which is created, and it has a class called hello world, and inside this there is a method called main method. This is a comment, you can just remove it. And if I just want to print something on the console, console is something where you will get the output. Let's print something. The very first program, hello world. So whenever I just run this, this is a console where the output gets printed. Okay. So system.out.print is the statement which you use for printing something onto the console. ln is if you want to have a new line character. For suppose after this statement I have something called selenium. So if I'm not having this ln here, all the succeeding words will be printed in the same line. Let's see how it gets printed. When I have this ln, it will be printed in the next line, like how we have like this. This is a simple program. So what we have learned in this particular video is, first we understood how we can install Java and how we can set up environmental variables and how to install Eclipse and write our first program in Eclipse. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.